Our skin accumulates all kinds of grime like dirt, sebum, oil and dead skin cells on a daily basis. This can result in clogged pores and hair follicles, leading to skin-related concerns like blackheads, whiteheads, acne, etc. Blackheads look like tiny, raised bumps on the surface of the skin, mostly black in color. They are caused when oil and sebum block the pores on your skin. This happens when the skin is not cleansed properly and the oil settles in the pores over time. And when it's exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns black, forming blackheads. As a problem faced by many individuals, tackling blackheads can be very painful. The first of firsts for getting rid of blackheads is moisturizing the skin with the right cream or moisturizer. A salicylic acid is a great option for dissolving blackheads away, and it can be found in over-the-counter products available in the market. Retinoid skin creams are also a useful way to get rid of blackheads. Drinking a lot of water can help in hydrating the skin surface by keeping the potent oil blocks away. 1. Exfoliate. If you have not started yet, it's time to include exfoliation in your skincare regimen. Use a natural or cosmetic scrub, suitable for your skin type, to slough off grime and dead skin cell from your skin. Concentrate on the blackhead-infested area while you are at it. Exfoliate at least once a week. 2. Facials. Getting facials regularly can help curb blackheads to an extent. Facials are a refreshing way to rid the skin of impurities, deep-seated debris, and restore the glow. 3. Invest in the right products. If you have acne or blackhead-prone skin, it's time you reconsidered your skincare products. Buy non-comedogenic products which are specially formulated to not clog the pores. 4. Keep skin clean at all times. Every time you step out of the house, your skin attracts dirt. If not cleaned well, it may lead to blocked pores, increasing the chances of blackheads. Makeup can have the same effect on the skin, and if not cleaned out completely, might result in blackheads and even breakouts. Always remember to remove makeup and wash your face before calling it a day. 5. Use clean laundry as you sleep in your bed. Oil and dirt from your face get rubbed on pillowcases and bed sheets. Not washing them regularly can lead to accumulation of grime, which can get transferred to your face and clog pores, encouraging blackheads. It's best to sleep on fresh pillowcases and bed sheets as often as you can. Have you tried any of these remedies? Let us know in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe.